In this video, we will demonstrate how you can use webhooks to send data via Integrately by Bitform. From the Bitform dashboard, create a new form if not exists, or select any other form to use the webhook. We have two fields here, and we have selected the form at the front end to show. Now navigate to Form Setting and go to Integration option. To create an integration, click on the New Integration button and then select Integrately. Now go to your Integrately dashboard and create a new connection. Search for Webhook and select it to continue to the next step. Select the next app to send those webhook data. You can send your data to any of the apps. We will use Google Sheets as an example for this video. Integrately has already an automated integration for us, but if you wish more customizability, you can do that in this portion. We will choose the automated operation for the demo. In step 1, click on Add Connection button to connect the webhook with Bitform. Copy the generated webhook URL and go to Bitform dashboard to connect it with Integrately. Go to Bitform dashboard. Paste the copied webhook URL. You can send the request by any method such as GET, POST, or by your preference. We will send with POST method as an instance. Add URL parameters to send the form value, which we can use in Integrately later. Map the key name and select the field name which you want to send as a value. We will map here both fields of this form. Now click on Test Webhook to test if the webhook is connected. If it shows a successful message, go to Integrately dashboard again. Check on the tick mark and the Test Connection button to see if Bitform is connected. As we can see, the connection has been made. Now connect your Google Sheets account and then configure the app as your preference. Select the spreadsheet and sheet name to send the webhook values. These are the header names of the selected spreadsheet. Select the key name of the webhook trigger which you sent from Bitform at the initial test. Click to test and go live to activate the workflow. Then go to Bitform Integration Dashboard. Then click on the Next button. Click on Finish and Save button. Now navigate to the Conditionals Logics tab. Here you can trigger any integration by setting conditions by your choice. To know more about conditional logics, watch our video about conditional logics, link in the description. Click on Record Create/Edit from Action Run When section if want to run when a record creates or edits. Then checked on Form Submit from the Action Effect section. Then click on Always from the Action Behavior section if you want to run always without any condition. Then click on Integration and select the integration name. Now update your form by clicking the Update button. Now go to the front end of your selected form and type some information. Click on the Save button to submit the data. After successful submission, go to Form Responses. Here you can view the submitted data. Also, check Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.